Afternoon guys, welcome back to the channel. So today the boys, Richard and Owen, have been working on this 71 plate VW Up GTI. So we do see a few of these Ups and most of them are GTIs, but when you're fitting rear optical parking sensors and also cruise, they're generally in for the day, especially on a GTI, because the ECU for the cruise is basically right next to the near side front wheel, so it has to come off. The inner lining comes out and you can gain access to the ECU to pin out for the cruise wire. So the whole vehicle's been apart inside. We've done 3 factory fitted color coded sensors for this vehicle. Because it's only a tiny vehicle, there are only 3. The module gets fitted in the back along with the buzzer. The cabling for the CAN data and for the power gets routed to the front, and during the video you'll see how much of the vehicle needs to come apart for the data to be connected and everything else. And once all that's coded, it will then appear on the main radio display as well. So the steering wheel's been off, the stalk's been replaced, all the wiring's gone into the BCM, and all the wiring has gone in then to the ECU to allow for factory fitted cruise. So this is factory fitted cruise on the stalk. It's on the left hand indicator, not on the steering wheel like on other vehicles, but this customer is going to drive away with factory fitted sensors and factory fitted cruise, or retrofitted, and seamless integration. So what we do now is we will jump in the car and show you what we're going to see on the display for the cruise, which isn't much because we're not going to be driving, and also the display for the parking sensors. Okay, sat in the vehicle, we've got the new indicator stalk here, which is also attached to the wiper stalk, and the whole thing comes off, the new one goes on with the added cruise. I think we've got on the back here, let's just show you the original stalk that would have come with the vehicle. And this is the original stalk with nothing on, just the basic indicator and the wipers. But you can see the whole thing has to come apart, and it has to be genuine to give you that seamless integration. So new cruise feature on there with your on and your off and your resume and your set. Not much to show up on the dashboard, but if the engine is running, you'll get a little cruise light up on the dash. And then when we put the vehicle into reverse, you've got your 3 parking sensors on the back there with a little optical display, and also with a little mute button so you can adjust or turn down the volume or mute it. If you had a reversing camera, that would also then be viewed up on this little screen. It does the job, it's perfect, it's a little car, but there's quite a big blind spot, so having the parking sensors works. So 71 plate, VW Up GTI, good looking car, pretty nippy, manual gearbox. We've retrofitted genuine cruise, we've retrofitted the rear parking sensors, they're optical, colour coded, flush. If you've got a car like this, get in touch. The website is www.advanced-incar.co.uk. Don't forget to like, subscribe, tell your friends and family. Have a good afternoon, and thanks for watching.